Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, we have seen that natural gas price is moving in a zone of $3 and $2 since Jan of 2023 third week. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen since 4-5 days, it is moving in a zone. Okay, if the price breaks a zone upside or downside, then we can see there is a probability that it can go further down or upside. A zone, what we have seen, the downside is $2.58 and a zone upside on this particular level is 2.79. So once the price sustain about $2.79 upside, a probability of going further upside we can see. Okay, or if it goes below a level of 2.4, then you can see a strong support coming, a weak support is coming. Okay, and that levels is already being tested here, so chances will be high that if the price comes close to this particular level, it will break this particular zone. Okay, now if you look at this particular zone, what we can see that overall trend, if you look at it, is going upside, but it is very volatile as well as on a very slow note. But if the price moves below this particular level, then we can see it will fall further down. But after pandemic, what you have seen that there's a pattern forming, which I keep repeating in my every video, that it is hitting its previous high and making a new high for 5 times continuously. It is doing that. Okay, and what it does, it move upside and a drop has come and a fall has come and then a swing form, that is where it goes upside. Okay, after making high of $9.9 for the 5th time, it tries to make it for the 6th time, but it didn't sustain. Okay, because the factor was a war situation was there, Fed was continuously increasing the rate and the dollar getting strengthened. These are some of the factors. Okay, if you have to understand, if the dollar is getting strengthened, then the import for other countries have to pay more. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. As soon as it breaks this particular zone of $2 and $3, suppose if it breaks a zone of $2.23, which is the low of this particular zone, it will fall further down. Or if it moves above a level of $3.053, then a probability of going further upside is there, because this is around 7 months we have seen the price of natural gas is moving in the same zone. So as soon as break upside or downside, then you can see there is a probability of going further higher or downside. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, what we can see that suppose if the price sustain this particular level, where it can go. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of upside. Okay, so after crossing a level of $2.724, then there is chances of going further high, because there is a 100 EMI barrier was there, then it will move further upside. Okay, so after $2.74, chances of touching 2.9 will be there, and from there we can see it can touch its high of $3.053. Okay, as soon as it crosses that particular zone, it will go towards a level of $3.3 to a level of 3.5 and then to a level of 3.7. okay, these are some of the resistance which are strong resistance as soon as if it moves above a level of $3. But if it moves below this level, then we can see it will fall further low. Okay, so now suppose if the price sustain this level, or if it strongly not moving below this particular zone, or if it moves above this particular zone, chances will be high after going towards a level of $2.724, chance of going towards 2.9 will be there. Okay, as soon as it above a level of 2.9, then chances of touching 3.053 will be there. Okay, that is the high of this particular zone. So as soon as crosses this particular high, $3.035, then a probability of going towards $3.3 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $3.7. Okay, so this is where the zone of natural gas is moving for so long. So once it crosses the level of $3.053, chances of touching 3.3 is there, and from there probability of going towards 3.5 to a level of 3.7 and then 3.9. okay, and then from there we can see a level of $4.1 and then further upside. Okay, now as you know that the market is always uncertain, if the price is on the upside, yes, a trend you can guess, but you have to always remember your SL and you have to trail your SL. That is very important thing in order to save your profit as well as capital. Because suppose if you are trading for 5 times also, if you lose all 5 times, if your SL is ready, you can be trading for the another times. Okay, but if your SL is not ready, your capital can be wiped out in single trade. Okay, that you have to understand. Okay, so now always set your SL as well as trailing SL, your capital and profit can be saved. Now suppose if the price didn't sustain, what you can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, then a probability of going further down we can see for the price of natural gas. Okay, so now it is trading at a level of $2.662, and once it move below this level, chances of going towards 2.4 is there. Okay, and once the price fall below $2.4, then a probability of going towards 2.2 is there. Okay, and once it move below $2.2, because 2.3 is a support which is already being weak support, so chances are very high once it move below a level of $2.4, it will cross a level of 2.3 and can go towards a level of $2.195. Okay, so once the price fall below $2.195, then a probability of touching 2.053, which is already being tested here, and a weak support, so chances of going further down we can see. Okay, then it will come in a zone of around $1.98 and to a level of 1.826, and once it move below this level, then chances of touching 1.626 is there. Okay, so you have to keep it in mind that as soon as it break a level of 2.053, chances of going further down we can see for the price of natural gas. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. Okay, so understand, as if the price move above a level of 3.053, chance of going further upside will be there, or if the price fall below a level of 2.053, chance of going further down we can see. Okay, any doubt, you can mail me. And understand, when the price fall below $2, then chance of going further down we can see for the price of natural gas, or if it goes above 3, then probably going further upside we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'll give the mail ID. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.